In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can apply blending options to your layers. So you can see here on our layers panel, we have the background layer and we have the section of a building that I've placed on top. You can see I've cut the top of this area out using the lasso tool. Again, if you're unsure on how to do that, please watch the previous videos that shows you how to use transform controls and the lasso tool. So the blending options in Photoshop are just here on the layers panel. So you can see it says normal, and these all apply different finishes to this layer. So you can go through these and see which one you would prefer to use. In this instance, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the multiply tool. Now, again, you can see it's a really easy, useful tool that you can apply to your development work in both graphics and photography.